have drawn a simple floor plan layout for a 1,568 square foot home, which is 28 foot by 56 foot in size. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 2 living areas. But first, a disclaimer. I'm not an architect, not a draftsperson, and not a professional. All of the floor plans used in this video and my other videos are for illustrative and informational purposes only. You are welcome to use any of the floor plan ideas shown in this video or any of my other videos. I'm not responsible if you decide to build your home using one of these floor plans. Please seek professional help with your floor plan. Here is the floor plan for just the house. Here is the same floor plan reversed. Here is an exterior view of just the house. As you walk inside the house, you will see how open and inviting the floor plan is. Most of the rooms have vaulted ceilings. The floor plan was drawn with a 3/12 ceiling pitch. These rooms with vaulted ceilings give the appearance of being much larger. The living room is 18 foot by 13 foot 7 inches in size and has a built-in electric fireplace with a place for a TV above. The living room opens to the dining room, which is 11 foot 9 inches by 13 foot 5 inches in size. There is a 6 foot sliding glass door and 2 pantry cabinets inside the dining room. The kitchen is 11 foot 8 inches by 13 foot 5 inches in size and partially open to the living room. There is a center island with a built-in cooktop and breakfast bar. The microwave and oven are built into a large cabinet. There is a built-in desk in the kitchen. This bonus room, which is 11 foot 4 inches by 10 foot in size, could be used as a family room, office, or a 4th bedroom with a closet. There is a coat closet on the left. As you go down the hallway, there is an air conditioning and heating unit on the right. The master bedroom is on the left, which is 12 foot by 13 foot 5 inches in size and can easily accommodate a king-size bed. The master bedroom doors are 4 foot wide French doors. The master bathroom and master closet doors are 36 inches in size and could easily provide wheelchair access. The master bathroom is 10 foot 10 inches by 6 foot 4 inches in size with a 6 foot double sink vanity, a small window over the toilet, and a linen closet. There is a 4 foot 11 inch by 3 foot 2 inch bump out for the bathtub with a shower, or plenty of room for just a shower. The master walk-in closet is 8 foot by 6 foot in size. There is a small closet inside the master closet that houses the water heater and additional storage. This small closet will also provide plumbing access to both bathtubs. The laundry room is 6 foot 8 inches by 6 foot 9 inches in size. There are wall cabinets above the washer and dryer and a counter to the right. The electric panel could be installed in the wall above the counter. Bedroom 2 is 10 foot 6 by 10 foot in size and can easily accommodate a queen-size bed. The walk-in closet is 5 foot by 3 foot 9 inches in size. Bedroom 3 is 10 foot 6 inches by 10 foot in size and can easily accommodate a queen-size bed. The walk-in closet is 3 foot 6 inches by 6 foot 2 inches in size. The main hall bathroom is divided up into 2 rooms. The first room is 6 foot by 5 foot 6 inches in size with a 5 foot 6 inch double sink vanity and a linen closet. The second room is 4 foot 11 inches by 6 foot 6 inches in size and has a bathtub with a shower and a toilet. There is a window above the toilet. We are walking up the hallway to the living room. Here is a view of the house with a covered front porch. Here is a view of the house with a covered front porch and an oversized 2-car garage. The floor plan shows 8-foot exterior stud walls with a 612 roof pitch. Most of the ceilings are vaulted with a 312 ceiling pitch. In some parts of the country, homes are built by using a concrete stem wall foundation or concrete pier and beams with a crawl space underneath. By making the home only 28 foot in width, a center stem wall or center pier and beams can accommodate 14-foot floor joists. The wider the home, the more expensive the floor joist will cost. If the home is going to be a concrete slab-on-grade foundation, then the home can easily be modified to be a little wider for larger rooms. Here are some interior pictures of the house. Thanks for watching. I will be posting more floor plan videos in the future, so if you're interested, please subscribe.